Okay, this is a video showing the use of the BBC Microbit. This is a version 2 Microbit and the KittenBot motor driver called Robot Bit. This Robot Bit can control 4 DC motors, these red motors. In this case, I've got these tracks and cogs. Okay, you're going to need to have some extensions right here on the motor. The axle on these motors is not long enough to hold this cog away from the body of the chassis. If you're talking about a wheel, that will fit on the axle and not interfere. But when you've got this cog and you've got a wide track, much wider than a wheel, this needs to be extended and moved away from the chassis laterally. The only purpose of having these spacers is to move this cog further out to match this cog. So you'll need to keep that in mind if you're going to build a track vehicle. Your motor needs to be moved out away from the chassis, or else you need an extension on the axle to move this cog away from the chassis. These are 3D printed cogs, but you can buy cogs for track like this. The assembly has the motor driver raised well above these tracks, because if the motors are mounted close to this board, then the tracks which overlap will not be able to run. They'll be too close to the board. So we've got this set up in this arrangement. Now here's the code. I'm going to put a link to this code in the video description. You can click on that link and this code will install. It has the Robot Bit extension. It has the NeoPixel extension, so we can flash these LED lights. We'll show that again. Here's the MBit app to control the tank. This is using Bluetooth, BST MBit app Bluetooth. The code is for the Microbit version 2 and the Robot Bit. There will be more.